हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल। कैसे हैं आप सभी को 15 अगस्त स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। टुडे आई एम ओवर हेयर टू सेलिब्रेट दिस मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डे, इंडिपेंडेंस डे, विद यू। एज यू नो, माय नेम इज़ पूजा एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल पूजा प्रभाकर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। So my dear friend, today I want to share something about Independence Day. Independence Day celebrate every year on 15 August. We remember the day 1947 when India got freedom from British rule. Before 1947, British rule in our country for almost 200 years. People had no freedom. Life was very hard. So our freedom fighter and leaders wanted India to be free. So they start a fight for independence. Many great people work in our freedom, like Mahatma Gandhi fought with true and non-violence. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru encouraged the youth. Subhash Chandra Bose encouraged the people to be brave. And our hero lies like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru and Vallabhbhai Patel, Lakshmi Bai. Many others leaders give their life. Because of their courage, we are free today. But fight for freedom, it was not easy. It took many years, many protests, many sacrifices. Workers, students, farmers and women, everyone joined in struggle. When the whole country came together and finally the British had to leave India. On this day, 15 August 1947, our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hosted the Indian flag at Red Fort in Delhi, and he said, "At with stroke of the midnight hours, when all countries sleep, India will awake to life and freedom." From that day, every year on 15 August, our Prime Minister hosted the flag and speak to the nation. Independence Day celebrate all over the India. On this day, the flag hosted office, colleges, school and public place. People speak about our freedom fighter. Every other people celebrated this festival by giving sweet, planted tree, help the poor. And if you talk about me, for me, this day is about feeling proud, remembering our heroes, promise to do good our country. Independence Day is not just about for celebration. It reminds us that freedom came with a price. We must protect our country, follow the rule, respect the flag and work together to make India a better place. We should always remember that true Independence Day means living with respect and letting others live with respect too. Because unity is our good strength, with big strength. So my dear friend, India is growing in many areas like science, technology and education, but still we have problems like poverty and corruption. We should work hard to solve these problems to make our future bright. So my dear friend, on this Independence Day, let's promise that we will love our country, be honest, respect elders, help the poor and take care our environment. We always keep spread the freedom in our heart. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.